Oh, hi, are you here for the 30-day Law of Attraction crash course? Well, we're about to get started. Come on in. Hello, positive peeps. This is Lori, your positivity princess. Welcome to the Lori Show. For the entire month of August, I will be doing a 30-day Law of Attraction crash course. If you are a student of Law of Attraction, give me a thumbs up. Show the universe a little bit of love. Every single day of August, a video will be posted that will be part of this 30-day Law of Attraction series. Each video will flow into the next video. Today's day 3. Click here to start at day 1 at the beginning. Each video is under 10 minutes so that we can all be mindful of your time. I know we're all busy. Allow me to mention the course workbook. It's free and there's a link below so that you can download it and follow along for the next 30 days. Well, 27 days now. As a teacher and as a coach, I am invested in creating learners that leave with mastery, not just memorized junk. Okay, the first law is the law of divine oneness. It tells us that we are all made up of energy and hence all connected. We are connected with each other, with the earth, and with God. As energy, we lead to the next law, the law of vibration. Each unit of energy that we are made up from vibrates at a given frequency. This frequency can change based on your mindset, your mood, your intention, even your temperature, and many other factors. The law of rhythm shows a pattern to how the vibration changes. Consider day and night, cycles of the moon, seasons, and even the calendar itself. The energy vibrates in rhythms. But as this is happening, energy that is vibrating at the same frequency as another unit of energy are attracted to one another. Hence the law of attraction. Now, I mentioned that energy could have a high vibration associated with positivity, joy, and happiness, but it can also have the opposite as well. Anytime one extreme can happen, the potential of the opposite exists as well. This is the law of polarity. This is related to the law of relativity, as experiencing one extreme allows you to appreciate the other extreme in contrast. So having been poor, you can appreciate a stable employment. The law of action says that you will not go from poor to financially free unless you take action. The law of cause and effect says that every action has an equal reaction. The law of compensation says that if that action that you take is positive, you will get back more positive. Now, if that energy was not positive and you are getting back negative, you can use the law of transmutation of energy to mold and change that energy into something positive and useful. I will link videos below about all of these laws that I have mentioned. Okay, so check in the description. Watching videos and reading will help you wrap your mind around all of these laws. The last law is the law of gender. Feminine and masculine energy both exist and they do not directly associate with human female and male. So don't think female energy is always just a woman and male is always a man. They're very different and opposite. Both types of energy exist in all of us, and there's that law of polarity again. You can see how all of these laws are connected. Can you see that? One cannot function or exist without the next, and we go full circle to divine oneness. I've attached a printable of the 12 universal laws for you. Understanding these will help you understand how lots of things work. Learn them and know them. Okay, that was a good chunk for today. Okay, my most intelligent students, thank you so much for watching this and coming to my class. Your homework today will be to watch the Secret film. If you haven't watched it yesterday, it is a great place to start. See the link below or find it on Netflix. Tomorrow we shall continue with the next lesson. Don't forget, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss the next lesson. Have a most glorious day and I love you. And be positive.